come on, Max.
Yes, the Grinch hated Christmas. The whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be his head wasn't screwed on just right. It could be perhaps that his shoes were too tight. But I think the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Now, remember, Max, this is the time of year when the Who's are at their most deceptive. You have my full permission to attack anyone who so much as says one kind word to us. Wait, stop! Oh! Coming through! Oh! Oh, sorry, Donna. That's okay, Sam. Thanks for stopping. Ooh. Still got you on the night shift, huh? Sure do. By the way, Cindy Lou forgot her hockey stick. Jingle bells, Christmas smells.